What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Dodge Challenger remote key fob. You can see by the logo on the back of this key, this is for the 1320 Scat Pack version of the Challenger, but the battery change procedure will be the exact same on any level of Challenger. This key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find this replacement battery if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to change this key fob battery is a flathead screwdriver. The first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and then the emergency key will pull out like that. We can just set that key to the side. Now if I grab my screwdriver and take a look at the bottom of the key fob, this is the slot that key just slid out of, and then we also see there's this notch or slot right here. What I'm going to do is grab my screwdriver, put it in that notch. It only goes in there about that far. Keep some pressure pushing in, then I'm going to twist the screwdriver, and as I do that, you can see it starts to open the case. And if you need to, you can move over a little bit and do the same thing. Once it's far enough apart, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands like that. In the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. I'll use my screwdriver just to get under the edge of the battery and get it out of that little holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first. It's down here near the metal key ring. Tuck that edge in first like that, then snap the battery down into place. Then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.